Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do medium island twists. First, gather all your supplies, including braiding hair, a rat tail comb, clips, and your favorite styling products. Make sure your natural hair is freshly washed, thoroughly detangled, and well moisturized. Divide your hair into 4 to 6 large sections, securing each with a clip. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient twisting process. Now, let's move to sectioning. Using your rat tail comb, create small, square, or triangular sections for each individual twist. The size of these sections will determine the thickness of your twists. Begin by braiding the first 1 to 2 inches of your natural hair, then smoothly add in your chosen braiding hair. This initial braid provides a secure and neat foundation for your island twists. With your base braid complete, it's time to twist. Take the 2 sections of hair your natural hair combined with the braiding hair and twist them firmly around each other. The key is to maintain consistent tension throughout the entire length of the twist, from the root all the way down. For that signature island twist look, leave the last 3 to 4 inches of the braiding hair loose and curly. To finish your beautiful island twists, you can dip the loose ends in hot water to seal them, or apply a curling mousse for definition. Gently massage a light oil onto your scalp to keep it moisturized and healthy. At night, always protect your twists with a satin scarf or bonnet to prevent frizz and maintain their neatness. With proper care, your medium island twists can last for 6 to 8 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.